Hey everyone, welcome back to our quick video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to clay bar a vehicle. Get rid of the contaminants, that rough feeling that you have on your paint surface, even if you just got done washing your vehicle and it's still rough. A clay bar is a great way to get rid of all that stuff safely and get everything back to that glass mirror shine. All right, first thing to do is give your car a good wash. Don't just hose it down, but give it a good wash with, some good auto shampoo. Get as much dirt and grime and, get your car as clean as possible. Okay, so this is what you're going to need to clay bar your vehicle. You're going to need some microfiber cloths, an auto detailer or a clay bar lubricant. Even some soap and water will work, but you definitely want to have something to lubricate the clay bar, otherwise it can scratch your paint surface. And then of course you're going to need clay bars itself. Now there's different types of clay bars. I buy these all-purpose ones on Amazon. You usually can get like 4 of them for about 10 bucks, and it works really well. If you have like an older vehicle that hasn't been clay barred in 10 plus years, you might want to get a more heavy duty, like a medium size or medium duty clay bar. Usually they're gray or black, but that's all you're gonna need. All right, so 2 quick tips. Never ever, if you have your clay bar and it drops on the ground, never pick it up and continue using it. It can quickly pick up rocks and things like that and easily scratch your paint surface. Don't ask me how I figured that one out. Second, I recommend doing one component or one panel at a time. Like do your hood, then do your 3/4 panel, then do your front bumper. We're gonna be doing the hood in this video. All right, so one of these clay bars usually lasts quite a few vehicles. I usually pull off about maybe a third. They're so cheap, but usually that much is all I need to do an entire vehicle. I then kind of roll it into a little ball like so, and then kind of smash it out like so. Get it kind of flat, maybe like a 2" by 2" little square. There we go. All right, and then taking your car detailer spray or clay bar lubricant or soap and water. I always spray a little bit onto the actual clay bar itself and then apply it generously all over the area you're gonna be clay barring. And then all you have to do is go back and forth, up and down, or left and right. You never wanna go in a circular motion. And as you're going over, you can kind of feel it grab when it's grabbing things off your paint, and then it gets really smooth. I usually do it like a 2 pass, and on the second pass, you'll notice it's just a lot smoother. And that's all there is to it. Now I can usually do about half my hood, and then I recommend just folding the clay bar over on itself again, and then making another 2" by 2" square. Just make sure you have like a new surface of clay to grab more, or a clean area of clay to continue grabbing more contaminants. All right, it's tough to see, but I just did about half the hood and it grabbed a lot off there. Now I usually recommend doing about half, like the hood, that much area on your car, and then using some microfiber cloths, all that detailer back off. You don't really want to let the sun, dry that on your car, so I recommend grabbing a bag of cheap microfiber cloths. And then once I've gone over everything, grabbed up most of the detailer, I'll go over with a separate microfiber cloth just to polish it just a little further. All right, we'll do a little test. Ooh yeah, super smooth, like glass. Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to clay bar a vehicle. If you did, please hit that like button and comment below. I respond to all comments. Would love to hear if this helped you out. See you in the next video.